Use this time wisely and allow yourself to relax. Allow my voice to guide you into a deeper, more pleasant, healing state of complete relaxation. Jesus said that you can be in this world, but not of it. So just let the things of the world go. Let them go for now. And just go within. In Luke 17:20-21, it says, the kingdom of God is within. Allow yourself to go into a deep, relaxing state and receive all the wonderful benefits that are there for you. In this place that you're going to allow yourself to go, you will receive God's healing grace in its purest form.